Hey guys, welcome to my full review of the Zeb-Thunder Bluetooth headphone. This thing is one of the most affordable Bluetooth headphone available at Amazon, and if you're planning to buy one, use the link in the description. It helps the channel out. The Zeb-Thunder is very lightweight at around 150 grams since it is completely made up of plastic, and it does feel cheap. But don't mistake that for comfort. It is very comfortable headphone to wear, and you do get these foams at the top and at the sides. Speaking of sides, all the controls are at the left. You have the power button and control buttons, SD card slot, aux and charging port, and also a mic. But the mic is very poor for phone calls. Apart from Bluetooth, this one supports a micro SD card and a built-in FM radio, and both of them work fine. You can also use this as a wired headphone using the headphone jack. An aux and charging cable is also included in the package. I use this only as a Bluetooth headphone. Comment below if you use any one of these other modes. It takes around 1.5 to 2 hours to charge this thing, and I use this around 3 to 4 hours a day. So I charge this after 2 days of using it. It might vary depending upon your usage, but however the battery is not that good on standby. But overall this is a good battery. I had no problems with its battery or build quality. But I mostly use this for casual tasks like streaming YouTube and other audio files. When you use this for more intense tasks like playing real-time games like PUBG, then the latency is obvious. And it's also not suitable for conducting webinars due to the poor mic quality. But you will be good attending a webinar with it. Considering the price, this is a great headphone when you use it for normal day-to-day tasks, and you will not regret buying one.